Alright, so I'm here, I'm down at the river. It's all overgrown. I haven't been to this spot since last winter anyway, since it's not at all this summer or spring. As you can see, it's all overgrown now, so I'm gonna have to, man, it's hot out here. I'm gonna have to find a stick and knock all this grass down so I can get to the river. And the tide's coming in, so if I can get this done before the tide comes all the way in, this will draw fish in too, because the insects will be down on the bank. So yeah, I'm gonna try to get this done. Yeah, I'm gonna set my pack up here too. That was the original reason that I made this platform, so that I would have somewhere to put my pack. So yeah, that works out good. All right, I'm gonna get a stick and knock some of this grass down so I can get to the river. I'll talk to you in a few. So I found a good stick. It's actually a dead tree, but it's still green. Still has the root on it. Another tree had fallen on it and killed it. So it's still green. It's not gonna break on me, so this would be a good stick once I trim it down to the size that I need. And for that, I'm going to use my Victorinox Swiss Army knife. Yeah, so this is my Victorinox Swiss Army knife. I've had it for a long time. You can barely even see the insignia on it anymore. But yeah, it's a real one. It's a good one. I'm going to cut this off like right here, right above the wet root part. I might be able to do this and video it too. I don't know, we'll see. Nah, it's too hard. I'm gonna cut it and then I'll show you when I get this place cleared out. Alright, so I started clearing the grass out, and then I figured I might as well get this on film so you guys can see how I did it. It's like 90 something degrees out here, so I soak my shirt down with water so I don't stroke out. But yeah, I just took a sapling, green sapling, and just slap it down. Basically the same as you would do with a sickle. I like to keep swinging in one direction, because if you start swinging back and forth, then you get stuff flying all over you, and then you got the risk of getting some poison ivy and oak and just irritations. Definitely going to need a break after this. Man, it's warm out here. Oh. Alright, well you guys get the gist of it. I'm not going to waste all my battery and memory on doing this. I want to see if I can catch some fish.